The dance of Pluto and Neptune, a celestial mystery unfolds. Extended, Pluto, the mysterious and distant icy world, has long captivated the minds of astronomers, scientists, and space enthusiasts across the globe. Once proudly classified as the ninth planet in our solar system, Pluto's planetary identity was reshaped in 2006 when it was redefined as a dwarf planet, sparking worldwide debate and curiosity. Yet, even after its demotion, Pluto refuses to fade into obscurity and continues to draw attention due to its unusual behavior and orbit in the distant reaches of our solar system. Now, two of the most recognized figures in modern astrophysics, Dr. Michio Kaku and Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson, have reignited interest in Pluto by introducing a provocative and startling idea. They've suggested that Pluto and Neptune, two vastly different worlds, could be on a rare and potentially catastrophic collision course. This revelation has stunned many, raising a powerful question. Is it even possible that two planets or planetary bodies could crash into each other in the vacuum of space? And if such an extraordinary event were to happen, what kind of consequences could ripple through the rest of the solar system? Are we witnessing nothing more than a fascinating cosmic oddity, or is there a deeper force behind this long-term orbital interaction? To explore this further, we must first understand Pluto's strange and captivating orbit, which defies many of the rules seen in the paths of other planets. Pluto's orbit is not only highly elliptical, but it is also steeply inclined, tilted at an angle of about 17 degrees from the flat plane in which most of the planets revolve. Unlike the smooth, near-circular orbits of its planetary neighbors, Pluto's trajectory appears chaotic, elongated, and angled, as if it's dancing out of sync with the rest of the solar system. Another remarkable fact is that Pluto takes approximately 248 Earth years to complete just one orbit around the Sun, meaning it hasn't even completed a full revolution since its discovery in 1930. Even more perplexing is that Pluto's orbit crosses inside Neptune's orbit for about 20 years during each cycle, putting it closer to the Sun than Neptune for that short stretch of time. This naturally leads to a jaw-dropping question. If Pluto and Neptune's paths intersect, why haven't they ever collided? The answer lies in a subtle but powerful cosmic mechanism known as orbital resonance, which acts as a kind of gravitational safeguard. Pluto and Neptune are locked in a 3-to-2 mean motion resonance, meaning that for every 3 complete orbits Neptune makes around the Sun, Pluto completes exactly 2. This elegant gravitational rhythm ensures that the two bodies never find themselves in the same place at the same time, despite the overlapping paths. It's as if they're engaged in a carefully choreographed cosmic ballet, where timing is everything and chaos is narrowly avoided. But can we trust this balance forever? Michio Kaku and Neil deGrasse Tyson argue that we shouldn't become too complacent. Even a slight change in the gravitational influences of nearby celestial bodies, perhaps due to the pull of a massive object or a long-term orbital drift, could disrupt this carefully timed interaction. Over millions or even billions of years, this harmony might decay, giving rise to new orbital dynamics that today seem unthinkable. Could such a shift result in Pluto and Neptune eventually colliding, triggering one of the most spectacular and destructive events, celestial consequences and scientific revelations? The fascination with Pluto's orbit doesn't stop at its eccentric shape, it reaches into the realm of chaos theory and celestial mechanics. Shortly after Pluto was discovered, astronomers became deeply intrigued by its unusual motion and steep orbital inclination. In contrast to the mostly flat orbits of the other planets, Pluto's path was a bold outlier, both tilted and stretched in a highly elliptical manner. When it was confirmed that Pluto's orbit actually crosses that of Neptune, the astronomical community was both puzzled and intrigued. How could two planetary orbits overlap in space without ever resulting in a collision? The explanation lies in one of the most complex challenges in physics, the three-body problem, which attempts to predict the gravitational interactions among three celestial objects, in this case, Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun. Despite the apparent instability of Pluto's orbit, computer simulations and orbital models have shown that it is, surprisingly, stable over immensely long periods of time. This counterintuitive balance arises thanks to the gravitational influence of the giant planets, Neptune, Jupiter, and Saturn, which help maintain order within the solar system's gravitational field. In particular, Jupiter's immense gravitational pull acts like a stabilizer, anchoring the system and minimizing chaotic disruptions over vast stretches of cosmic time. These subtle forces ensure that Pluto's orbit, though turbulent over millions of years, remains relatively consistent and self-regulating in the long run. However, Dr. Michio Kaku and Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson caution that even tiny variations in gravitational influence or orbital timing could lead to massive changes in the far future. If a collision were to occur, the implications would be nothing short of extraordinary. Given Pluto's small size and icy, fragile composition, a high-velocity impact with Neptune would almost certainly lead to its complete disintegration. Such an event would unleash a vast amount of energy, spreading icy debris across the solar system, which could eventually pose a hazard to other celestial bodies, including moons or even space missions. Neptune itself, massive and gaseous, might not be destroyed, but its atmosphere could be affected, and its own orbit could experience significant alteration depending on the angle and velocity of the impact. Moreover, a collision of this magnitude could serve as a real-time cosmic laboratory for physicists studying high-energy environments and theoretical models. Dr. Kaku, known for his work in string theory, suggests that this kind of astronomical collision might help illuminate the fundamental forces that govern the universe. String theory postulates that the universe is made up not of point particles, but of tiny vibrating strings, each corresponding to fundamental forces and particles. A massive impact like Pluto colliding with Neptune could generate extreme gravitational conditions, allowing physicists to observe phenomena predicted by string theory in a real-world setting. Although Earth would be far enough to remain physically unaffected, the scientific value of such an event could be historic, offering glimpses into the nature of gravity, quantum mechanics, and the formation of planetary systems. Pluto's continued study opens up a wide range of possibilities, not just for understanding orbital dynamics, but also for planning future deep space missions. With refined models and better understanding of gravitational influences, scientists could improve mission designs to outer regions like the Kuiper Belt, where Pluto resides. Such missions could explore other dwarf planets, trans-Neptunian objects, and even the boundaries of our solar system. The 2015 New Horizons mission was the first to offer a close-up look at Pluto, revealing breathtaking details of its surface, from towering ice mountains and vast plains of frozen nitrogen to complex atmospheric behavior. These discoveries redefined our understanding of what a dwarf planet could be, rich with geology, atmospheric activity, and possibly even subsurface oceans. Pluto's classification may remain debated, but its scientific importance is undisputed. Its strange orbit and gravitational interaction with Neptune offer not just curiosity, but clues to the solar system's past, and perhaps its far future. Ongoing observations, enhanced simulations, and missions like New Horizons lay the foundation for future breakthroughs. Understanding the gravitational dance between Pluto and Neptune helps scientists refine models of planetary migration, orbital resonance, and the early shaping of the solar system. It's a cosmic reminder that even the smallest worlds can play giant roles in our quest to understand the universe. As we look to the stars, Pluto continues to challenge our assumptions and inspire our curiosity, perhaps one of the most powerful roles any celestial body can play.